Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can make someone admin in a group chat in WhatsApp. Okay, so this is really gonna show tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn how to do this. So that's why you have to go your WhatsApp application. So I'm just to click my WhatsApp application and choose the group. So I'm the admin of this group. So I want to make someone admin for this group. That's why I need to click here three dot on this one. So simply click three dot and again click group info. Once I click group info, then I have to scroll down a little bit. Then you'll see all participants or all members in a group in participants. So here is this group, only two members, me and my friend. So I want to make my friend admin, so that's why I need to click on that account. So simply click on that. Once I click on that, then you will see a few options here, and one of them make group admin. So this one, you can see the option make group admin. So simply click on this, and these people are now admin. Okay, but if you want to make admin more, then you can add like this. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.